Hey guys, Follis here. Today I'm going to be talking you through a trade I took last week. This was an ENJ long. This was a trade I was pretty happy with. I also happened to be recording at the time. So yeah, let me walk you through this and provide some commentary on the trade itself. So the reason I wanted to long ENJ initially was I saw there was a massive open interest spike. That was something I was paying attention to. I also saw that some guys from the Binance leaderboard were also getting long, so had the feeling that possibly there was something that they knew that I didn't know. It was also pretty strong. It was one of the most bullish alts on my watch list that day. And this low time frame PA kind of suggests continuation. We had a big pump and then there was like almost like low time frame consolidation. Kind of seemed like it was accumulating or gearing up for the next leg. So I was happy to punt along. I think I had a pretty clear idea of what I wanted to go for and where my invalidation was. I also saw that funding was negative, which also had a confluence to the idea of potentially getting long. And yeah, here you can see I had two entries to fill a $10,000 position. I had two entries that didn't get filled, which would have brought me up to a $20,000 position. Nothing crazy big, but yeah, so I got filled for 50% of my potential largest order. And here you can see I removed the orders at the bottom because I don't really want price to retrace at that point. In fact, I would have closed if I had seen price turn against me here. So yeah, two fills. And now we're kind of catching the meat of the move on the way up. So I had a target in mind for this long. There's a high time liquidity level just below 50 cent. This was the buy side liquidity area on Binance futures. Bybit futures, I'm not sure. I think it was a little bit different, but that was where I wanted to exit the position fully. That was where I was happy closing out. And here you can see we get a quick spike above these low time frame equal highs that takes me out of the position and completely closes for, yeah, I think we made about 300 bucks on that one. So yeah, not a bad trade, in and out in like less than an hour. Made some decent profit and yeah, caught the top. Here you can see my two entries and my exit, and it retraced pretty significantly after this. So in fact would have retraced back beyond our entry and our stop loss. So happy to have exited where I did, and a nice trade. So yeah, as I said, I was paying attention to open interest. I was paying attention to funding rates. I was paying attention to the low time frame PA, and I was also watching the Binance leaderboard for potentially traders who are better than I am, or who know more than I do getting long. So those were the elements of confluence that I used in this trade. And yeah, I caught a really nice long and managed to close out at the top. So I hope you got something from that. If you like this kind of content, let me know, and I'll catch you next time. Take it easy.